Iodine inside of a Q-tip. Okay, why were we doing this?
What's his cute tip?
What a cute tip. Nice. And then you can disinfect your wounds.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Wait, you gotta do it.
She's,
For what?
Okay, what is that for? Okay, now it's a nice bandage as well.
What is his face for?
I don't know, yeah.
Like,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
She's trying to help you out, son. Have some respect.
She
She just got sweat and then drank it?
No, she said.
Okay, good.
Just kidding.
Dry shoes.
Yes,
Nice.
it's right. Okay, of course.
Chop some hair off, okay. Very nice.
To survive, you need
to chop your hair off for sure.
Yeah, that's why I will.
Braids and then shoes, because that's more necessary than having hair. I love that for them.
Yeah, well, it's so cute.
Yeah. Moss?
Moss?
I must ask, really? So you're in the wild surviving, but you have money. Interesting.
It's how it usually happens.
Yeah, true, true, true.
But you need to find a way how you're gonna use your money.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's your wish.
Plastic, and then we're rolling this up for what?
Oh.
It's a nice hat.
Clever.
I like it.
Wow. Good job.
Okay,
So what is this?
hanger hook.
Oh, hanger hook.
That's awesome,
I
actually.
love it. I love it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I want one of those. We should get it as a gadget.
Shall we test this gadget?
See how strong it is.
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, it's like a.
It's like a mini changing room.
Oh.
Portable changing room.
Shower.
/ shower. Okay. Coffee filter holder.
Mm-hmm. And so water, I guess.
That's how it works.
Okay, yeah. Portable coffee machine.
Ooh, yeah, pump it up.
Bum.
The jam, pump it up while your feet are stomping. And the jam is pumping. Look at that, blah, 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 blah. I don't want. Okay, so we got some eggs. We're cracking open our eggs.
Okay, wow, perfectly cooked.
I would open it differently,
No
but
way
okay.
it's gonna work myself. Okay, the fish. What is this fish?
We put the fish on the plate, we flip the fish over, and then easy fish.
Wow.
Some nice pieces of meat. Wow, he went boar hunting or something. Jeez.
Sorry guys, but it looks very, very.
Like bought from a store.
Well, I wanna try it. So.
Okay.
To cook your bread, I guess. And for what? Oh.
Ooh.
Nice soup.
Okay. I actually want to test that and see if it's good.
Yeah. Good soup.
We got some corn, we're heating it up, and it's popping.
With acid, right?
Yep. We tested this one. It was okay. It kind of burned.
Kind of burned, but yeah, good work. Okay, how to clean up, I guess. You just squeeze it, I saw.
Oh, and it's gonna be like a paste. I hate eggplant. This is.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I hate it as well. I mean,
Why?
yeah. I don't understand how you can eat it.
That's not okay. Yeah, sorry whoever loves eggplant, but the two people who like eggplant. No, I know a lot of people do, but still, it's not very good. Okay. So now we have
some bakery.
That looks really good.
That's fine. It's just
It's just a piece of bread with sauce on it.
I mean,
but when it's on a stick, it looks better. Everything looks better on a stick.
It's true.
Even
But if you try to survive, for sure it's nice. But where did you get the dough?
Where did you get all of this fancy stuff? Yeah, where did you get French fries in the wild?
Yeah, wow.
Wild McDonald's appeared.
Wow. Not bad.
Looks tasty. I would eat it.
Oh, bacon, of course.
Even better.
Yeah. Of course. Easy to survive with such a guy, right?
These people are. Something tells me they're not really having to survive much.
Wow, I feel hungry.
Yeah, this is actually making me really hungry too.
Okay.
We need food. Give us more food.
Please.
It's like a little kebab necklace. Like wear it afterwards and just pick it up, eat it.
You just can, hang it on you and eat it during the day.
Yeah, it's nice.
Fast food. Is it fast food?
Okay.
Oh.
So now we have
Now
some hot
it
water
will
in there,
be
some ramen.
quickly-
Ooh, with some cheese. Heck yeah.
Will it?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's mac and cheese. That is mac and cheese.
Wow, I want to do it.
Me too.
I
Me
wanna-
too. That looks really good.
Yeah. Okay.
Not bad. Tin can. Put some macaroni in there.
Now again, some
More cheese, maybe?
Yeah,
Mayonnaise.
I want a macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. Guys, can you just... One sec. We're going to get some
Yeah.
mac and cheese and be right back. Just kidding. We have to do
Okay,
this.
after. Yes.
We have to
As
do
soon
this
as
for
we
you.
finish. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, how it's gonna work? Where's the fire?
Yeah, where's the fire there?
Come on.
Okay, automatic tent, very nice. Get in our automatic tent. I feel like this is just every tent ever now.
Yeah.
Folding camp cot.
Nice.
Okay.
It's actually
Looks pretty
5-star hotel.
Yeah, right? Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty leisurely.
Um,
Okay, we put a little bit of aluminum in either side of this, some rice. All right.
okay.
This is how you cook your rice.
In bamboo.
Looks
Wow.
good, looks bamboo-y, looks good. I like it.
It's actually nice much bamboo and rice.
Okay, we got leaves, we got salmon, we're rolling it up. All right, and we have our fish, and we put it on the fish fire. I wonder what's in the aluminum fish.
I like how they put tail, you know, how
nice,
they
yeah.
It's actually creative.
So we're folding this
That's
up.
in a cartoon or something.
Yeah, it's like a cartoon, yeah. Portable
Okay.
fan, okay. Next they pull out the Xbox, the PS5.
Yes. Just for what reason you went out?
my,
Yeah.
my portable masseuse is here to give me a portable massage.
And when your mom tell you go out.
Yeah, go outside, you're like, all right, just bring the Switch, you know, chill. Folding stool, okay. Very nice.
Okay.
So they're making a structure here.
With cleaning foam.
Okay.
Film.
Why?
I don't know. It's like there is no air, I guess. Can you imagine how warm?
It would be too hot in there, yeah.
Okay, but
It's
with
nice,
the-
yeah. If it's not too hot or anything, then it's fine, I think.
Okay, portable.
Portable little stove.
Wow, nice. Yes.
Yeah, this one's cool.
Okay, even like so.
Very nice.
Very good, very nice, I would say.
Those aren't ready. They're not ready yet.
Rare, but
You
I
gotta
guess you need to put something on it. I mean, like.
True, yeah. You need your bacon crispy though.
Wow, what the fancy noodles
This is
here! It's like wow. How much did you pay for it?
That does look, yeah, it looks like a big thing.
There is the for warming the water, the
Oh, wow.
special thing. Come on!
I kind of want that. Should we get that? Do you guys want to see us test that? Because I want to
Yeah.
eat it.
Okay, let us
Comment
know and we'll
yes, Flint, eat down below.
Yeah, we'll find the whole budget of ours.
If we get 50 of those comments or 50 likes on a comment that says that, we'll get it so I can eat it. Okay, nice.
Yes, yes. Actually, this could work. The chip's very flammable.
Yeah. Also, coffee powder, as we found out, is very flammable.
Yeah, it's
Super
Yeah,
flammable.
yeah.
Very dangerous.
don't try it
Unless you
unless you didn't.
know
get-
what you're doing.
Yes, we know.
We always know what we're doing.
Yeah. Nice, nice. I love like you can change
Adjustable.
the level. Yeah.
It's good.
Okay. What is this? Candle.
Oh, a nice little candle. Okay, give us more.
More reactions.
Right now.
Please.
Please. Okay.
It's so wow.
Okay, so why are we doing this though?
It's like laces. Wow.
That's cool, actually. Nice.
Amazing. Wow.
Okay,
nice.
ooh, watch out for your hands. I feel weird when people do that.
Yeah, that looks dangerous.
Cutting metal with your
Okay.
hands right next to him? No.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper, okay. I guess tuna needs to go as well. Yeah, actually we did this, but a different way, where you can have like a long burning fire if you leave it in tuna, but what?
What's the point?
And we got a no! Selfie lady!
Okay, survival hacks.
What are we gonna do? Survival hacks!
Yeah.
Try to survive her after she comes out of the water.
For your weird acting.
Yeah.
Is
Warm
it
and well. No, I don't think you're. I really don't think you are warm after that.
No,
You're wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some nice little kindling fire starter stuff. Burns for 5 hours.
Okay. Like
Nice.
If
If it works,
can
it works.
only, yeah.
We can only imagine,
Yeah.
because we're not going to test it for 5 hours.
Yeah. I mean, it's not worth it.
No.
It's not it.
Unless this video gets 20 million likes. If it gets 20 million likes, we'll do it. Remember to like it.
We'll do it.
20 million likes
Yeah.
all day, baby. I think our maximum likes is something like 200,000. So 20 million likes, baby.
And we'll do this.
Yeah.